Bowman's Best Baseball. Good luck, Carlos, from Ryan. Well, yeah. Well, that one is stuck. Okay, some rare autograph here. Let's go. All right, good luck. Here we go for Carlos from Ryan. Garrett Mitchell. This is actually a hobby direct case. The first case we were on was a distributor case. Not that it matters, but I'm just always interested in the Gorman. Man, Carlos, nice. Luis Robert. What a box. Now we need the color, right? Dubon Gold. Dubon autograph. Lux, Robert, Horner, Yamamoto, Cracked Ice, Trent Grisham, very nice box. Congrats. Good auto.